Hi, we're going to be talking about mindfulness. What is mindfulness? Have you heard this word before? Have you heard the word mindful before? What do you think mindfulness has to do with this picture on the screen? Mindfulness is learning how to be kind to ourselves. And in order for us to be mindful, we have to pay attention to our minds, our bodies, and what's around us, our surroundings. Okay? Now, our bodies, let's take a second and really pay attention to our bodies. What are they doing? How are they feeling? Really be mindful and think about your body. Well, my body is sitting. I can feel the cold air coming through the air conditioning vent. I could feel my eyes moving and blinking. I could feel my chest and my belly rising as I was breathing in and lowering as I was breathing out. My toes are super cold because I'm wearing sandals, and I can feel that cool air on my bare toes. And I'm sitting on that bouncy ball. Remember that yoga ball that I have by my desk? I'm sitting on that so I feel bouncy. My body is bouncy a little bit. Okay, you might be feeling something different. What are some of the things that you're feeling in your body that you noticed? You might be feeling differently because you are in a different space than I am. And you're also feeling different things because you have a different body than I do. Everybody's different, so you might feel things differently from another person. Now let's take a second and let's pay attention to our minds. What are we thinking? Really be thinking about the thoughts that are floating in your head. Take a moment. Well, as I'm thinking about what's going on in my mind, I was thinking about how I feel lonely because you are all not here with me. I was also thinking that the room is really empty because there's no one here. I was thinking about, I hope everyone feels okay, feels well and healthy. I was thinking about how I'm a little hungry and I'd really love a gluten-free chocolate chip cookie. I was thinking about what you guys are doing and what you might be thinking in your minds. So what were you thinking? Okay, now we're going to really pay attention to our body. You have a piece of paper that looks exactly like this guy, this person in your packet. That's on the screen right here, and I'm also holding it up in this picture. Okay, you have a picture that looks exactly like this, and what we're going to do is we're going to spend 5 minutes, and we're going to draw or write things that we feel, see, hear, think, or smell. So mindfulness means that we are paying attention to what is happening to us right now. What's happening with our body? What are we smelling right now, feeling right now, hearing right now, thinking right now, seeing right now? So we are going to spend 5 minutes. I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes, and you are going to draw and write down as much as you can, okay, on your guide. So grab your markers, your pencil, whatever you need to do your drawing, crayons, colored pencils, and start drawing. Maybe on the side you want to draw a picture of what you smell or what you see. Now stop. Take a look. Here are some of the things that I drew. I drew a door because I kept hearing lots of door slams, so maybe some teachers were walking around and getting some things done at the end of the day. And here I could hear somebody talking. I could hear the squeaks from my ball when I went to go and grab a pencil. I also was bouncing a little bit. I could feel my tummy moving up and down. I was looking at the desks and the empty chairs, and it made me think and miss you all. I wrote that I'm feeling a little tired and thinking about sleep. My nose felt itchy and my mouth was really thirsty. And then I was thinking about how I really could go for an iced coffee right now. I could also smell the flower that Lena gave me last week that I still have on my desk. And then I was thinking about how my shirt feels silky and soft. Maybe you wrote and drew some things about what you're feeling or thinking, seeing, hearing, or smelling. What did you hear, think, feel, or smell? What did you see? When we're mindful, we're present in the moment and we're thinking about what's happening to us right here and right now. It helps us recognize our feelings. It helps us recognize what we might need, right? I realized that I needed to itch my nose. I realized that I needed something to drink. And that I might need to go to bed early because I'm a little tired today. Okay? So being mindful can help us understand the things that we need and how we're feeling in the moment. Okay? So I hope that you learned a little bit more about mindfulness. Maybe you can do some mindful coloring and add some more details and color to your picture. That's another great way to be mindful, is to think about what you're coloring. Okay. Thanks, everyone. Have a good time coloring this in and adding more to your drawing.